Asuntoskehti Ahvenisrinne.
Yes, and this is Insinöörinkatu. The Insinöörinkatu in Swedish. Building 50, Stickesby. In Hervanta, Tampere, Finland. The biggest and most run-off suburban in Tampere. 9 years. As your number says, 64123, built in 1985. Turned 35 years old in last year, 2020. You'll be inspected this year, 2021. And I'm gonna check when it was finished.
Yeah.
If it was 1985 or 86. I think it was 86 maybe.
Yeah.
This might be late 1985, but I'll check it.
Yeah.
It is a bit too slow, sadly, but otherwise amazing.
Yeah.
Then this was the Kone I was talking about. Of course, and the second one is the same, but the Kone building was here.
Yeah. Let's check if somebody's coming.
Yeah.
No.
But it sounded like someone was coming.
Yeah. Probably they used stairs.
Amazing release. Or maybe they were going up.
Yeah.
Let's go back to that number. We can see if we can take a similar.
Yeah.
Also check that time.
Yeah.
I'll check it. But the second ride, it should be a silent one. So it is maintained by Kone and inspected by Kiva Inspector. Then you can press. I just checked that it has actually full memory.
Yeah.
Then you can press it again. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching it. Let's hope we're getting to the steady state as soon as possible as well. And I love these wooden ones.
That's